Hello, and welcome to GreatGarden. My neighbors used to admire, and even feel a little jealous, that I had a PeaceLily that was always lush, healthy, and constantly producing new leaves. But what they didn't know was that my plant had once been weak, with yellow leaves and very slow growth. Everything only started to change after I began using a natural plant care method that I learned from experienced gardeners, combined with familiar ingredients that were already available in my kitchen. If you also want your PeaceLily to become healthier and greener, watch this video all the way to the end. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to GreatGarden so you won't miss more helpful plant care tips. Let's get started. First, remove all of the yellow leaves, wilted leaves, and old leaves around the plant. Removing these leaves helps the plant focus its nutrients on producing new leaves and developing the root system. At the same time, it improves air circulation around the base of the plant, making it more ventilated and reducing the risk of fungal diseases. Next, I'll use potato peels to prepare an organic solution to support the plant. Potatoes are not only a common ingredient in the kitchen, but potato peels can also be very beneficial for PeaceLily plants. First, prepare a small knife, then carefully peel the potato as shown in the video. Potato peels contain small amounts of potassium, phosphorus, and several naturally occurring minerals. When properly processed and used correctly, they can help provide organic matter to the growing medium and support the plant during recovery and growth. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. Next, cut the potato peels into thin slices. Cutting them into smaller pieces increases the surface area in contact with the water, allowing the natural compounds in the potato peels to be extracted more quickly and evenly during soaking. Place all of the sliced potato peels into a clean glass. Next, add 500 milliliters of hot water. Then stir with a spoon so the water evenly soaks the potato peels. Finally, cover the glass and let the solution steep for about 1 hour, allowing the natural compounds time to dissolve into the water. After about 1 hour, once the solution has cooled to room temperature, strain it through a fine sieve to remove all of the solids, keeping only the clear liquid. The filtered liquid is the extracted potato peel solution, ready to be used in the next step. Add 1 liter of clean, room temperature water to dilute the solution. Now it's ready, and we can begin treating the PeaceLily plants in the garden. Method 1. Take a clean cotton pad or a soft clean cloth, dip it into the potato peel solution, then gently wipe both the upper and lower surfaces of the leaves. Wiping the leaves helps remove dust from the surface, keeping the leaves cleaner and allowing them to absorb light more efficiently. When used properly and at an appropriate frequency, the potato peel solution may also help provide a small amount of natural organic matter to the leaf surfaces, helping the plant maintain healthy green foliage. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any PeaceLily tips. Method 2. Pour the potato peel solution into a fine mist spray bottle. Then lightly mist the leaves and the surface of the growing medium of the PeaceLily plants that need recovery and growth. Proper misting helps maintain humidity around the plants. At the same time, when used appropriately, the solution may help provide small amounts of natural organic matter and minerals to support plant growth. Method 3. Pour the remaining potato peel solution into a watering can. Then gently water around the base of the PeaceLily so the solution slowly soaks into the root zone. When used correctly and at an appropriate frequency, the potato peel solution may help provide organic matter to the growing medium, support healthy root development, help the plant absorb water and nutrients more efficiently, and create favorable conditions for steady growth and the production of more new leaves. If you have any questions or want to share your PeaceLily journey, feel free to post in the community tab. Let's exchange tips and learn from each other's PeaceLily care experiences every day. Method 4. The remaining potato flesh can be cut into thin slices or small pieces as shown in the video. Cutting it into smaller pieces increases the surface area in contact with the growing medium, allowing the potato to decompose more evenly. Gradually release natural organic matter, and help the plants absorb it more effectively. If you're enjoying these plant care tips, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple, effective gardening advice. Tap the bell icon so you never miss a new video, and let me know in the comments which plant you'd like to see next. Next, place the potato slices on the surface of the growing medium, or bury them shallowly beneath the soil near the root zone, but do not allow them to come into direct contact with the base of the plant. These potato slices may help attract certain small insects living in the growing medium, such as larvae or insects that feed on organic matter, causing them to gather on the potato instead of remaining around the roots. After about 12 to 24 hours, remove and discard the potato slices, then replace them with fresh slices if needed. Repeating this process for several consecutive days can help you monitor and reduce the number of insects in the pot in a simple way without using chemical pesticides. Results. After about 2 months of consistently applying this method, you'll notice significant improvements in your PeaceLily. New leaves begin to emerge more frequently. They become darker green, thicker, glossier, and sturdier. Yellow leaves gradually decrease, and the plant becomes fuller and healthier. The root system develops vigorously, producing many new white root tips. The roots become stronger and spread evenly throughout the growing medium. This is a sign that the plant has recovered well and is able to absorb water and nutrients more efficiently. With continued proper care, the plant will begin producing more flower buds. The buds develop evenly and bloom into pure white, long-lasting flowers, making the plant healthier, more vigorous, and more attractive. That's the end of today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to GreatGarden, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss future videos about caring for, propagating, and restoring indoor ornamental plants. Thank you for taking the time to watch. See you in the next GreatGarden video.